it's Max with McLean's RV here in North Dallas, and today we have the Winnebago M Series 2326 RK. Wow, it's gonna be a travel trailer packed with really cool features, some awesome benefits. Let's go inside and take a glance. Wow, look how spacious this living room is. This is just phenomenal usage of space. We have a jackknife couch right here on the slide room. Drop down cup holders. Across from it, we have a dinette, perfect for sleeping an adult or maybe two kids. It does make into a bed. Below the dinette, we have some additional storage, which is just phenomenal. It's all residential grade cabinetry. But let's look at the main part of this travel trailer, which is this phenomenal rear kitchen. We have a convection microwave. We have a massive GE residential style 12 volt fridge and freezer combo. I love the 12 volt residential fridges inside these RVs. We have a massive sink with a divider. So that's awesome. And we also have two windows right across. So that way when you're washing up some dishes or making your breakfast, you have a great view. On the left side, we have a 2-burner Furrion gas cooktop. This is going to be in a lot of Grand Designs and Winnebagos. It's very versatile. You know, most people, I know when I'm cooking, I have a big oven and range at home, and I only ever use one burner. So really the 2-burner is just a great usage of space and an extra countertop extender. Of course, what's cool too is that it does light up blue, little ambiance. And below it, you have a massive tray. It's not a tray, it's a drawer. You have a massive drawer, perfect for a bunch of storage. Great usage of space under that sink for some trash cans and ball bearings on all the pull-out drawers. Nice and easy. And service panel with an auto-detect lithium breaker box, which is fantastic. So if you did want to put some lithium batteries, you could. Up top here, we have some additional storage. Wow, those were really hard to open. That's residential grade. Oh, check that out too. It's phenomenal. So put, some extra cups, plates, bowls up there, all your utensils down here, some extra cookingware here, kitchen set up, you're ready to go. Across from the couch, we have some small storage, perfect for some DVDs or some books in both of these. And we have a window right across. Right now it's about 95 degrees outside. We don't have this plugged in to the shore power cord, so we just open the windows. Great cross breeze right here with massive windows. They're tinted. And let's say you do have the AC going and you're wanting to beat the heat. You also have some really high-end blackout curtains. And to get nice quality blackout curtains, you normally would have to go with more of a premium grade mini travel trailer, but the M Series packs so much value and a very affordable price. Now, check out this bathroom, a full berth bathroom here in the center of the RV. I love that. It separates the bedroom from the bathroom, makes it way easier to go ahead and get ready. And you have a massive shower. Of course, you have the retractable shower curtain, which you can actually put some weight into. So, getting cleaned up. Porcelain Dometic toilet and a ton of storage above the toilet and behind the toilet. Perfect for some toilet paper, and you even have an area to put some cleaning chemicals under the sink. Now, as we enter the bedroom, we do have a ducted AC. So we have all the outlets. We have one in the bedroom, one in the bathroom, and we also have a ton of storage under the bed here. This is a queen size mattress, and it's a true queen size mattress. You have nightstands with power outlets, as well as USB-C and USB on each side, which is phenomenal to charge up your phone. But check out this. Oh, that cabinet was so hard to open. That's just phenomenal. You don't want your cabinets to be easy to open in a trailer because this is designed to bump down the road. You have a couple's wardrobe on each side. You have additional storage up top, put some extra linens, and it just feels very open. Very cool colored textured wallpaper. Again, fantastic windows in the bathroom. You know, this window is letting in so much of a breeze right now, it feels like AC, and right across from it, we have an additional window there too. So the bedroom, a little bit more on the simplistic side. What is fantastic is we have a magnetic sliding door. And Rick, try to open that door up. It is kind of challenging sometimes. Wow, how cool is that? And there's one on each side. So it's great for privacy as well as a little bit of sound prevention if you're cooking and someone's trying to take a nap. Now, on the Winnebago, we have some really core features we're going to talk about. We have solar on board. We have the GE high efficiency air conditioner, and we also have additional solar on board. We'll talk about those. And what we also have is a fully walkable roof, which is fantastic. So that way, when you go up on the roof, you can really get up there, do your basic maintenance and upkeep. So as we look at the outside of the M Series, first and foremost, we see an aggressive styling on the decals, adventurous, modern, back to the Winnebago that we all know and love. We're going to start on the frame. This is a BAL Norcore Industries frame. It's a Huck-bolt frame, very strong and very capable. It's got some diamond plating up here, protectant, and an electric tongue jack. And what I love about the M Series, this is really designed to be that weekend camper. And I love the 20-pound propane tank. It's easy to go take it, get it refilled. You don't have to go to a RV dealership or a campsite where they refill propane tanks. I'm a big fan of the 20-pound tanks. It's easy, it's simple. Let's just leave it alone. If we take a look at the outside of this fiberglass sided RV, we're gonna notice that it's prepped for some side cameras here for the Furrion system, which is a phenomenal system. You can do a side camera on each side and a backup camera on a big 7-inch monitor. It does not come with that, but it is prepped for it. You also have magnetic door hinges, which are just way nicer than the little clips. And you have a lock right here, as well as a turning point. So you have two. When this is locked, it is really hard to open it up to prevent it from getting burglarized. Pass through in here is nicely equipped. There is a solar charge controller right to the right. It's a 30 amp solar charge controller, and it is prepped for the TireLink TPMS monitoring system right above it. If you look to the left, you're going to see that this is also prepped for an inverter. And Winnebago takes their prepping for inverters pretty seriously. They do a great job wiring these coaches when it's prepped for an inverter, so that way it reduces the overall cost a little bit if you did want to include an inverter in your transaction. We have a beautiful, huge electric awning by Dometic. It's actually got some really cool print up in this awning. It's just not black, it's actually two-toned. I really like that because as this awning will age and as you'll use it, you will get a little bit of mold buildup and a little bit of mildew. I've never seen a 5-year-old RV that doesn't have that. So it's actually gonna kind of hide that a little bit, make it easier to clean too. Big electric LED awning light, I love that. It's gonna pop at night. But let's take a look at the side. For one, we have a backer location to put a TV mount, and we also have the coax cable to mount the TV, get some cable from the TV antenna that's already installed on this. We have your outlet for the TV, and we also have your fresh fill. Now this is the furnace out, so it's probably not a good idea to touch it. We also have a double axle trailer. It is on the HD axle mount from BAL, so you can kind of see that key in there. It's going to allow the axles to be a little bit more so independent. And of course, what's also very nice is Winnebago went with the black rims, matches the black frame. It's sleek. Gosh forbid if you ever scratched one of these rims and wanted to replace it, it's probably a low cost part and it's going to be very easy to match. We also went with the manual stabilizing jacks on this M Series. Manual stabilizing jacks are actually really nice to use, especially with an electric drill, because they're way less prone to failure. Everybody always asks, hey Max, why does Winnebago, why does Grand Design, why does KZ, why do some of the more higher end travel trailer brands, why do they do the manual stabilizing jack? And I say, well, a lot of times manual stabilizing jacks are the biggest warranty claim that a shop will get and that an RV manufacturer will have to pay out. So they don't want to do electric stabilizing jacks because people improperly use the electric stabilizing jacks. They use them to lift up the coaches real high and this, that, and the other thing. So as an industry, we do manual stabilizing jacks to benefit the customer because it's less prone to failure. Imagine if you had an electric stabilizing jack and it failed when you were at a campsite and you couldn't get it up or down. You had to like take it off or something. That could really prolong your trip. With this one, you could just remove some screws and some bolts and get another jack for probably 1/10 of the cost. So that's a little bit of a why manual stabilizing jacks might be a better fit for you and the family. We also have scuppers on the corners of this. It acts like a small gutter, helps with condensation from the air conditioner as well as rain. And we have the solid entry steps. If you look by this stabilizing jack, we also have a quick connection for LP. So you could set up your grill or your fire pit outside and you could have your TV hookup, your fire pit hookup. You're just having a great time camping. If you follow me on the back here, you still have a bumper, which is super cool. There's so many RV manufacturers that aren't putting bumpers on anymore. And I'm getting more and more customers saying, Max, we want the bumper because we want that full-size spare tire mounted, easy to access, because we know we're probably gonna have a flat, we're going up into the desert or in the mountains, or shoot, we're just down by the beach, but somebody left their tackle box out on the road. Boom, spare tire. Backup camera, easy installation, 15 minutes or less. That's what the sticker says, so it has to be true, but it's pre-wired, so you can buy a Furrion backup camera, throw it up there yourself, simple. That is for the Lippert on-the-go storage telescoping ladder. So we did the telescoping ladder on this as well. The Transcends by Grand Designs are doing the telescoping ladders as well. It's just going to be a little bit more so of ease of usage. And one thing that we're noticing with the telescoping ladder is more and more clients feel like that's a better fit. So you'll see a lot more of that in the RV industry. This has it. Hot water heater is going to be right here, as well as the connection to power, part cable, and satellite hookup. You're going to notice on this slide out actually has the slim rack slide out mechanism. Y'all, the Winnebago Forza, the Class A diesel motorhome from Winnebago, the Forza, has these same type of slide outs. So this is a tremendous value to you that this has this slim rack because it's actually designed to give a little bit. So if it's designed to give a little bit, more so maybe than the Schwintek slide out mechanism, that's a phenomenal savings to your time, because if this is more forgiving, then it's prone to less failure. Now, as you notice, the slide out does have a window, and we do have 2 dump stations. Being that it's a rear kitchen, we have an additional gray dump behind the rear axles, and in front, we have black and gray. So a Y fitting will be needed, but because you have such a spacious rear kitchen, you're going to be just fine. Couple of outlets here. First thing we have is the portable water fill. So city. This is also your black tank flush, so that way you can actually go ahead and flush out that black tank. And this is a spray port where it comes with a quick connect, so you can actually have an outdoor shower set up, which is really nice. As you're looking more towards the front of the RV, you're going to notice that solar on the side from Dometic is on this M series, and it's rated for an additional 20 amps of portable solar you can throw on here. Here is the actual VIN number for this RV, as well as the weight. It's got a GVWR of 6,000 pounds, which is really important to consider. As we go inside the pass-through area, you're going to notice that it is an unobstructed pass-through. And what's great about that, it's big enough to get maybe a firearm case, some luggage, whatever you're wanting to take, some wheel chocks, etc. Get them all fit in there. Of course, it's a modern, simplistic RV. It's stunning into the inside. It packs a beautiful price point. Come check it out. Come see us. We have one left.